Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. Something I learned many years ago with affiliate marketing is that when you're promoting a product and you have a lot of competition, then you have two choices. You can change your marketing strategy that removes you from the competition, this red ocean, by doing something different. Or if you're happy with competition, then you need to be very aggressive with your marketing campaigns. Now that does not mean you get angry with the competition, it just means you do a lot more than anybody else. You double up, you triple up, you scale up your efforts to grab as much of the traffic as you can. So if you do your research, and you can spot these people very easily because they get more exposure, they can't hide from what they're doing, and they just hope that you will not rain on their parade by doing more. So let's dive into the computer and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay guys, here we are on Clickbank, and if you just look at the top sellers, the top offers, you'll see that the top offer is Live Pure, which is a dietary supplement. You can see the gravity score is very, very high, 644. So there's a lot of affiliates making money with this product, and the average conversion is $150. Why is it so popular? People will always want to lose weight, and people are lazy and don't like dieting generally. People really struggle with diets. A lot of people do like their food, and they don't like the diet type of meals where it's obviously smaller portions, and the trouble with life is none of the tastiest things like burgers and everything else with it, fried food. The tastiest food is obviously the more fattening. That's the way life is, unfortunately. So people just don't like to diet. They can't stick to diets. They may do it for a couple of days, and then they'll start basically to eat whatever they want. So they don't want to do that, and they don't want to go down to the gymnasium and join a gym and work out because it's just too strenuous, and they don't want to invest in any maybe exercise equipment to do at home. Maybe they'll use it. You go on Facebook Marketplace or anywhere, and there's tons and tons of fitness equipment for sale for next to nothing. They can't give the things away because they tried it and it's too strenuous. So this brings everything back to things like Live Pure, where you're just basically taking what I presume they're pills or supplements to burn fat. Recurring income, people reorder obviously, but a very, very popular product, a very good product to promote. So how do you promote this product? If you go on Pinterest and you type in Live Pure weight loss, what do you see? Just look at this. It's absolutely, if you're thinking about a red ocean competition, just go on Pinterest with Live Pure. It's absolutely, it'll put anybody off promoting this product on Pinterest. It goes on and on and on and on. So how can you compete in a marketplace like that to find your own blue ocean, to move yourself away from this red ocean? Very, very difficult. But it's not put a lot of people off doing it. It's going to be very, very difficult in there to get any traction, any traffic, because of the actual horrendous competition that is so bad. So let's just go on to Google. I just typed in Live Pure weight loss supplements, and getting past all the sponsored ads, you'll get things like this in local news feeds like Impact Kenya, Israel, that type of thing. But right at the top, there's our old friend YouTube. So we just click on this link, you'll see one thing that happens.
Hey,
See this young girl here?
guys, how are you folks doing today? Well, welcome to this video review. You know why? Today...
And there she goes. Look at the second option.
Hi guys, what's up? What is going on? I'm glad that you've made it all...
And just have a look at the YouTube account, the channel.
Hey, hi, good morning guys.
Play
How are you folks doing today?
Novellados.
Well, welcome to this video...
Second one,
Hi guys, what's up?
Beyonce Legandas.
I'm glad that you've made it all this way.
Same girl doing it with different channels, and she's got prime real estate here on Google. 2 different YouTube accounts, the same girl. And if you go to YouTube and you type in Live Pure weight loss supplements, here's the girl again. Funny thing is, it's a different account. What about this one? Same girl again. There's another different account. What's this? I don't know this account. There she is again. Another account. We've just seen that one. This is a different person. Adriele da Silva. There's Adriele da Silva. Adriele da Silva. Let's move down. Courtney. Beyonce Legandas. We know who that is. Courtney again. Courtney again. Courtney again. How about this one? No, that's a different guy. Courtney again. Courtney again. Courtney, Courtney, Courtney. And these are the results from, I think it's the last 7 days on YouTube. So you can see when I talk about being aggressive in a marketplace like this, where you're promoting the top seller on Clickbank, you have no choice but to be aggressive. You're not going to make any traction from promoting from one YouTube channel. So there you go. So you have to create different channels and just create different YouTube videos under different hashtags, different keywords, and you will dominate. You can dominate the marketplace. As you can see on Google, can you imagine the traffic that they're getting to these? And that's all because you're being aggressive. It's no good creating a couple of videos to promote Live Pure. It's just not going to work. You got to keep pushing forwards all the time, and be aggressive with your marketing. Don't be shy. If you don't do it, you're not going to make any money. So there's your choice. So let's just go back to Google and see what other options there are. Still lots of these local news, Mercer Island Reporter, Whitby News, Outlook India, that type of thing. And then we can go down. There's Liverpool and Facebook. So this is another option. Is Facebook. I'll have a look at Facebook in just 1 second. Coast Mountain News. Facebook again. Facebook again. So there's a good option. And Quora, Medium, and Issue. You can put your content on Issue. You can put your content on Medium. And you can put your content on Quora. Let's just have a look at Quora. Is the Live Pure supplement safe and effective for weight loss? And it's 104 answers. And they've had a lot of traffic, but this is the only Quora answer for this girl that does it. She's active in 4 spaces, and she joined in April 2023, so that's not long ago, but she's already getting a lot of traction from what she's doing. Obviously she's getting this not just from inside Quora, but from inside Google as well, and everything she does. So let's just go back to Facebook. You can see what basically people are doing. Let's just type in Live Pure weight loss. So here we got the results from a Live Pure weight loss search on Google. And let's have a look at groups, see what people are doing in groups. So people have dedicated groups just for Live Pure weight loss. But look at the members, only 4 members. Live Pure weight loss, 3 members. Live Pure supplement reviews, this one's got quite a lot of members. A public group, 3 members, 56 members. And obviously the generic weight loss will always get a lot more. Probably the best way to do this would be just create a weight loss group inside Facebook, and then you can promote the Live Pure, but trying to do it dedicated to Live Pure doesn't generally work. 5 members, 10 members, you can see from there, doesn't really work. So let's look at people. Nobody promoted it directly. Let's have a look at pages. And you can see there's a lot of pages. Live Pure weight loss. So pages is probably the way to do it. Promoting on Facebook. 10 posts in the last 2 weeks. Let's just have a look at one of these. So they posted 5th of July. They've not posted since. But that's at the top. So look at the next one. This is probably more active, 9th of September. And this will take you, obviously, this is, you'll say it's like an official link for this product, but it's obviously a Clickbank link. You can click on this. Let's have a look, see where it takes us. Live Pure, and there's the hot link and there's the actual affiliate name. So working to promote this product will work on YouTube very, very well, and it will work on Facebook with pages, not so much groups. Let's go back. You can promote it on Quora, and you can promote it on Medium. They've all got, we'll be getting some traffic from Google. Now, one thing I would always look at is basically look at the title. Warning notice, be very careful. Basically, they're trying to frighten people into looking at this. So if you was interested in buying this product, so you think, oh my God, what's this? Warning notice. I need to see this before I buy. And you would obviously click on the link to see what it is. A lot of them say scams, be very careful. Is Live Pure a scam? They all work very, very well. They frighten people to looking at that. Be very careful. New warning. Warning. Alert. See urgent. Beware. Don't buy before you see this. So these are the tactics that you can use exactly the same. Obviously they work. Truth revealed. And use some of these graphics, obviously, inside your title. Just gets attention. So you can see what works. Don't be shy. All these different accounts is the same person. So this is how you can be aggressive in a marketplace to dominate that marketplace on the top selling products on Clickbank. Open various YouTube channels and then start pumping out the videos every day if you can on different channels, and you'll see the exposure that you get. So if you want to outdo this young lady here, then you got your work cut out, but it's possible to do it. Just create lots and lots of videos. The videos are not short, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, but you can do this. If you really want to make money with Live Pure, this is the way to do it. Aggressive marketing, don't be shy. If you do it small scale, you will make no money. And that is the nature of the business. With a competitive marketplace, you have to be aggressive with your marketing. Anyway, I hope you got something from this video, some takeaways on some tactics that you can use, especially on YouTube, how you can be aggressive in a marketplace and dominate. This is what this young lady's doing, and credit to her. Nothing against this girl. She's doing the absolutely right thing. She's just pushing it on different channels, different keywords and different hashtags. Now, if you're interested in making $100 a day, $3,000 a month, I have my recommendation for the best affiliate marketing training program out there. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.